Moisture levels dropping on schedule. Airflow is optimal, no adjustments needed. Tray speed is steady, maintaining efficiency. Calibrations are set, initiating batch release. Readings are stable, all stations in sync. Feed rate steady, beans are flowing smoothly.
Confirmed, temperature rising, holding at 125. Good, keep an eye on that steam pressure.
Will do. All parameters are optimal. Monitor the temperature curve, adjust to 125. Steam pressure stable, beans are rolling well. Increase airflow slightly for even roast. Pressure is optimal, shells are separating cleanly. Conveyor speed is steady, no blockages.
Clean cocoa nibs move in uniform layers along optical sorting conveyors. High-speed cameras detect discolored pieces, triggering air jets to remove them. Workers inspect the flow, ensuring peak quality and efficiency.
Viscosity is optimal, proceed with processing. Flow rate steady, quality confirmed.
Portions of cocoa liquor are fed into hydraulic presses. Immense pressure separates the cocoa butter from the cocoa solids, flows into storage tanks, while cocoa cake blocks drop onto conveyors.
Flow is steady, pressure holding at 2.5 bar.
Clarity gauge confirms 98%, excellent purity.
Final drum is active, all systems are optimal. The paste is integrating smoothly, temperature is stable. Confirmed, increasing paddle speed for better emulsification. Viscosity is optimal, continuing the blend.
Thick chocolate paste enters the multi-stage roller refiners. Workers monitor roller spacing and pressure to ensure precision. The paste is compressed into ultrafine particles, creating a smooth texture.
Pressure holding steady at 2.5 bar, temperature at 45 degrees. Flow is optimal, sending it to tempering now. All sensors green, maintaining constant pressure. Vibration levels holding steady, chocolate's leveling out perfectly. Confirmed. Excess flow is optimal, no waste. Transitioning to settling phase now. Airflow is steady, no hot spots detected. Temperatures are holding within spec. Proceed. Airflow is stable at 2.5 meters per second. Temperatures holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius. Sensors confirm batch integrity. Count is accurate. Initiating transfer to packaging. All clear. Next batch.
Chocolate pieces move into the automated wrappers. Synchronized arms fold and seal the foil at high speed.
Maintaining tension on the roll feeder.
Workers ensure smooth, continuous operation.
Sealing temperature holding steady at 180 degrees. Throughput is optimal. No anomalies.
Sealed boxes arrive at the station, where robotic arms begin precise stacking. Workers monitor patterns in real time, optimizing the workflow. The crane shot reveals the full scale of this automated precision.
Load is stable. Initiate wrap. Tension looks good. Monitor the layers. Secure. Ready for next. Pallet WH45678 scanned. Moving to aisle 12.
Conveyor clear. Next batch incoming.
Forklift 3, aisle 12 is ready. Keep them coming, lines clear. Pallet secured, next load. Verifying manifest, quantities match. Trailers at capacity, wrapping up. First pallet of lint is here.
Scanning. All clear for Ghirardelli.
Stacking the last batch.
Confirmed. Shelves are updated. Here are your chocolates, all set.
Great, thanks. I'll just sort them. Perfect.
Your bags are ready.
Thanks, Sarah. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Okay, lane is clear.